Hi everyone, welcome you all to my channel. Dear children, in today's video, I am going to explain you the first chapter of class 8th standard mathematics, and the name of the chapter is a rational number. Dear children, introduction of the chapter already I have given you in my previous video, that was part 1. If you have not watched the video, my request is to please you go through the video, because in the first exercise and the last exercise, according to the latest syllabus of NCERT and CBSE, we have the sums here based on properties of rational number, and the discussion of properties is already done in my first part, right? So let's start the video where I will show you few sums based on the properties of a rational number. Okay, so the first question is, name the property used here, and there are 3 questions in total in exercise 1.1, all right, in NCERT book. So children, already the properties are explained to you, तो आप उसको तो आप देख ही लोगे, बट मैं आपको फिर से एक बार यहाँ पर जो है वो बता दूंगा. तो इसके लिए जो है वो ये जो प्रॉपर्टी आप देख रहे हैं, इसमें ऐसा है ना बच्चों कि अगर आप किसी भी रैशनल नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, then we are getting the same rational number, isn't it? Like 4 by 5 into 1 is 4 by 5, 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 is minus 2 by 3, and the name of this property is nothing. This is called multiplicative identity. Why multiplicative identity? Ki if we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number. So this property is nothing. You can see here, minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. Achha, if you see only these two, then to this will come under commutative, right? लेकिन is equal to minus 4 by 5. So the name of the property will be multiplicative, okay, identity. Multiplicative identity. Now the next question is, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 upon 17. So you can observe here, the order is being changed, right? यहाँ पर जो देखिए ये नंबर इंटू ये था, अभी ये पहले आ गया और ये बाद में चला गया. We know that कि in multiplication, if we change the order, the result is not going to change. Like 4 into 5 is same as 4 into 5, and the name of this property is nothing. This is called commutative property. Okay, commutative property. Okay, so this is the answer. Now next is, this into this is equal to 1. We know that if we multiply a number by its multiplicative inverse, we always get 1. That means 2 by 3 and its multiplicative inverse is 3 by 2, and if we multiply both, what we will get? We will get 1, and this is called multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse, right? तो ये जो है वो इसका आंसर जो है वो हो गया. इसमें जो है वो सिर्फ नेम ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी लिखना था, जो कि हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया विथ द एक्सप्लेनेशन. नाउ लेट्स डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, दैट की विच प्रॉपर्टी अलाउज यू टू कंप्यूट और टू फाइंड द आंसर दिस एज दिस. तो यहाँ पर यदि आप गौर करोगे तो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट कि देयर आर 3 नंबर्स एंड द ऑपरेशन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन इन बिटवीन द नंबर्स, राइट? तो यहाँ पर देखिए, लास्ट 2 नंबर्स आर केप्ट इन अ ब्रैकेट, एंड हियर द फर्स्ट 2 नंबर्स आर केप्ट इन अ ब्रैकेट, एंड वी ऑल नो दैट कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी allows us to compute like this. So this is according to associative property. Okay, what is associative property? That A into B into C. Now if we multiply A into B first and A into B into C, ऐसे करके अगर हम लोग ऑर्डर में करेंगे, the both answer will same. So this is nothing, this is associative property. Last question is, the product of 2 rational number is always, we know that the product of 2 rational number is always a rational number, and this is nothing, this is what? Closure property. So rational number. So the product of 2 rational number is always a rational number, and this is according to the closure property of a rational number. So once you can look at the board, and this exercise is completed, rational number according to the new syllabus of NCERT, right, and according to the new book. So I hope the concept about the properties of rational number is clear to you. दो पार्ट में मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाया है और दोनों पार्ट को देखने के बाद रिगार्डिंग द प्रॉपर्टी यू वोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो टिल द एंड. बाय बाय.